In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Spotify on Apple Watch. First of all, make sure you have installed the Spotify app on your iPhone and go ahead and sign into your Spotify account. Now go to your Apple Watch, press the crown, go to your App Store. Let's find out the App Store here. So this is the App Store. Go to your App Store and tap on search Spotify. Search for Spotify, and here you will find this official Spotify app. Just install the Spotify app on your Apple Watch. Now go to your app screen and scroll down, open the Spotify app, and here I'm going to opening Spotify on my mobile and just play a song or a playlist, and then we can see the music is showing on my Apple Watch. Now using your Apple Watch, you can easily pause the music, you can resume playing the music from your Apple Watch, you can play the next song from your Apple Watch just like this. And to go to your Spotify library, just slide to the left side, and this is your Spotify library. And to go to Spotify homepage, slide to the left side, and this is your Spotify home. You can easily scroll down to load more music's artist. You can use the search icon to search for a specific song, artist, or playlist. So now let's go to the music page, and here you can tap on this device icon, and here if you see iPhone, then the music will play only on your iPhone speaker. If you see here Apple Watch, then you select Apple Watch to play the Spotify music using your Apple Watch speaker. That's it.